Which type of land survey is usually the most expensive? GHMC licensed surveyors list top 10 land survey companies in Hyderabad. Which type of land survey is usually the most expensive? Land surveys are vital to any construction project, commercial or residential. Land surveys analyze the land's topography, landmarks, and geographic circumstances. The type of survey, area size, and project complexity determine a land survey's cost. The border survey costs the most. Boundary surveys define property lines. The property's legal records, such as deeds and titles, are examined to determine its borders. This survey requires specific technology and skills to produce accurate results. Boundary surveys are typically more expensive than other land surveys. Choosing a land survey provider for your project involves various variables. Experience is one of the most important factors. You want a company with a history of precise, high-quality land surveys. Scon Design is a top land survey business. Cost should also be considered while choosing a land surveyor. You want quality and value. Scon Design has competitive prices. Their professionals work hard to produce high-quality results at reasonable costs. Experience and affordability are crucial when choosing a land survey business. Scon Design offers low-cost, high-quality land surveys. GHMC licensed surveyors list. The Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation (GHMC) licenses surveyors to survey and report on construction projects. Building permits, property valuations, and land boundaries require these studies. Scon Design is a low-cost Hyderabad surveyor. Scon Design has provided high-quality surveying services for years. Expert, licensed surveyors work for them. They can deliver accurate survey results for various construction projects due to their knowledge. Their surveys are accurate and efficient thanks to the newest techniques and technology. They also listen to clients and tailor solutions to their needs. Scon Design is Hyderabad's best GHMC licensed surveyor. Their low-cost, high-quality services are well known. Their staff is informed, competent, and committed to client satisfaction. They provide precise and dependable survey findings to fulfill customer needs. Scon Design is a cheaper GHMC licensed surveyor than many other Hyderabad companies. They maintain quality and accuracy despite their inexpensive rates. They use cutting-edge technology and techniques to produce accurate reports. Finally, Hyderabad development projects depend on GHMC licensed surveyors. One of the top low-cost providers is Scon Design. Their professional and skilled surveyors employ cutting-edge technology and instruments to produce accurate and dependable results. They collaborate with customers to create customized solutions. Scon Design is Hyderabad's best GHMC licensed surveyor. Top 10 land survey companies in Hyderabad. India's fastest growing city is Hyderabad, Telangana's capital. Land surveying is in demand due to the real estate boom. The best Hyderabad land survey companies are here. This post will examine some of the top low-cost, high-quality firms. Scon Design is a leading Hyderabad land surveyor. Their excellent services have earned them a large clientele. They can manage any land survey project with their cutting-edge technology and expert staff. Hyderabad's most popular company, Scon Design, delivers precise and quick outcomes. They have a long history of excellent service. The company's land surveyors know everything. They use cutting-edge technology to deliver accurate findings. Best company is extremely renowned due to its inexpensive cost. In conclusion, you should investigate and choose the best Hyderabad land survey firm for your needs. Hyderabad's top companies, Scon Design and Best Company, provide affordable, high-quality services. Your land survey project will be accomplished quickly and accurately with their knowledge. Thanks for watching.